The polyline command bar in AutoCAD refers to the prompt area command line that appears when you use the pline or PL command to draw a polyline, a single object made of connected line and or arc segments. When you type line or PL and press enter, AutoCAD prompts you to specify the start point. After selecting the start point, the command bar displays options like arc, switch to drawing arc segments, close, connect the last segment to the start, closing the polyline. Half width, set the half width for the next segment. Length, specify the length of the next segment. Undo, remove the last segment. Width, set the width for the next segments.